Help you, doctor, yes, I really would. But the dead in my head, it's too much and it's no good. I'm standing in an empty tunnel, shouting through the roar. And I'd like to give the information you're asking for, but blood makes noise. It's a ringing in my ear, blood makes noise. I can really hear you in the thickening of fear. You might want to know the details and the facts. Whether something in my blood denies the memory of the acts, and just forget it. I don't think it's really cool that you're concerned. Have to try again after the silence has returned, 'cause blood makes noise.